Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to prepare the baby jackfruit podimas. It is so simple and easy to make. I will also show you how to properly chop a jackfruit. So let's learn it. So first, spread a newspaper and place the jackfruit on top of it. Then apply enough oil on the knife that you are going to use, and then apply enough oil to your hands, and then you can start chopping. So when you start to chop the jackfruit, you can see a sticky gum oozing out from the jackfruit. So that is the reason we apply oil both to our hands and the knife. We have to remove the outer skin. Be very careful while doing this. The baby jackfruit is such a versatile thing that you can make use of it in any of your curries. Not only that, it is high in dietary fiber, helps in reduction of cholesterol and good for diabetes, and it is a very good alternative for all the meat dishes. Once the outer skin is removed, we can chop the jackfruit into slices. You need some extra pressure while doing this. Now we have to remove the center sticky part. We don't want that part. Just chop and remove it. After slicing, wash the jackfruit and add enough water just to cook them. Then add some turmeric powder to it. Give it a nice mix and let us cook this for about 15 minutes in the pressure cooker without the whistle. I have cooked the jackfruit on a low flame for about 15 minutes without the whistle. So now let us check. Just put a knife into it. So here we go. It just comes out very smoothly. So it means it is perfectly done. If you are making a curry, then chop this accordingly. Since I am going to make a podimas, I am just going to break this into pieces using my hand. Usually I cook the whole jackfruit. I put them in the freezer in a Ziploc cover and then use it whenever I require it. So in that way you can simplify the process. You can also use a grater to grate the jackfruit. This is much better than using your hand. I was just showing you the two possibilities of making it. To prepare the podimas, first place a kadai on the stove. Add around 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then add the cinnamon sticks. Dry roast them until you get a nice flavor of the spices. Once it is done, make them to a fine powder. We will use it later. I have shredded the cooked jackfruit like this. Now place a pan on the stove. When it is hot, add around 3 to 4 teaspoons of the normal cooking oil to it. If you prefer, you can also add the coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds to it. This podimas is really very simple and easy to make, and it goes well along with the sambar rice, rasam rice. Once the mustard splutters, add the curry leaves. Now add the urad dal to it and saute them until it is golden brown in color. After this, you can add the chopped onions to it. Just saute them until the onion slightly changes its color. When the onions are nicely cooked, now add the shredded jackfruit to the pan. Since we have already cooked the jackfruit, this podi maas will not take much time to prepare. Just mix all together. Once it is nicely mixed, now add the chili powder to it. We don't have to add the turmeric powder since we have already cooked the jackfruit with the turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Now add some salt according to your taste. After adding some salt, sprinkle some water on top of it so that it gets nicely absorbed inside the jackfruit, and the podi maas will not be very dry also. Now mix again. So once it is nicely mixed, cover it with a lid and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, the jackfruit is nicely cooked and it looks so tender. Mix it. Now add the roasted fennel and cinnamon powder to the jackfruit. This we have already prepared. Finally, add the grated coconut to it. Mix it nicely. And that's it. The podi maas is ready now. You can serve the podi maas with the hot sambar rice and it goes very well along with it. Just look at this. It is such a simple and easy dish to make. You are just scared about the process of chopping the jackfruit and then cleaning it. Just give a try, prepare something new, and it is definitely worthy. A very healthy and easy jackfruit podi maas is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try this recipe at your home. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Let's spread the love for food.